Welcome to Attack of the Birds. For whatever reason, there's like 500 birds on our power line right now. I'm confused. There's no movie called Attack of the Birds, I don't think.
Not Attack of the Birds, but it's Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds.
Why are the birds starting a war in our backyard?
Let's send a dog after them.
That'd be fun. That's gonna suck. Magic, go kill the birds! Go kill the birds! There he goes, there he goes. Look at that vicious warrior!
He's just sitting there, isn't he?
He doesn't even give a crap.
Go, Magic!
He's like, oh, I guess I'm supposed to pee since they
left.
threw me outside. Oh, I'm gonna take a pee.
Oh, well, they left.
They were scared of the dog. Attack of the Birds.
I knew it would work.
Congratulations, you are a hero that's taking a piss. Goodbye, YouTube. Are you ready for this, people? We're about to welcome our hero. There's the royal chambermaid. This is horrible camera work. I need my tripod. Now, what's the song they sing on Aladdin? Hail the conquering hero, ba da 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 da.